How you can identify the right VA for dropshipping. A virtual assistant, VA, specializing in dropshipping, can help you streamline operations and handle various tasks related to your business. Here's how you can identify the right VA for dropshipping. Key tasks a dropshipping VA can help with. 1. Product research, finding trending or high-demand products to sell on your store. 2. Supplier management, communicating with suppliers, managing orders, and ensuring timely delivery. 3. Customer service, handling customer inquiries, processing refunds, managing returns, and resolving issues. 4th, order fulfillment, ensuring that orders are processed correctly and shipped to customers. 5th, store management, updating product listings, optimizing product descriptions, managing inventory, and monitoring stock levels. 6. Social media management, managing and scheduling posts, responding to comments, and promoting your store on platforms like Instagram or Facebook. 7. Advertising and marketing, running ads on platforms like Facebook or Google, creating email marketing campaigns, and setting up sales funnels. 8. Analytics and reporting, tracking store performance, analyzing sales data, and providing insights on which products are performing best. 9. SEO optimization, improving your website's SEO to drive more organic traffic to your store.